Hi guys, it is me, it's Tintin, and today we are at Contour Clinics in Pipe Duck. So, as an Asian woman, you know what we always think. Our nose is too wide and our face is too wide. That's just the truth, okay? I'm sorry, but it was my personal insecurity since I was a child. Today I wanted to just see and test out how it would be to have non-surgical fillers and things that would help me achieve what I wanted that was really easy to do. The nose, it hurt, I have to admit, but not so much like a pinch. If you got an ant and put it on your nose. The chin felt weird, it felt kind of weird, but at the end of the day, I saw my before and after. I was so shocked. I was like, oh, who is that Angelina Jolie Miranda Kerr? It was such small changes make such a big difference to your look, your self-esteem, and I feel I'm so happy.